Welcome back to the BSN channel. Today is the 7th episode or lesson of Tree language, the Asante dialect of Tree. Today we'll be learning about food, the different type of food, and how to say you would like something to eat. I cook. I've eaten, so on and so forth. We're gonna greet my mother first. So, greetings, Mum.
Hi and hi everyone.
She's, from Kumasi, so she's the best example of the Asante dialect. She'll be our guide for today. And we'll start with a sentence that can be continued. So, I'd like to eat ...
Mipese
And then you say the food afterwards.
Mipese medi. Or mipese midi.
So let's say the tree word for food. So how do you say food?
Aduane.
Now let's say I'd like some food.
Mipe aduane.
No, I'd like to eat food.
Mipe aduane edi.
No, but using the sentence you use first. I'd like to.
Mipe aduane edi.
Okay. Moving on. We're going to name all the different foods which you can add to that sentence that you had. So we're going to start off. We've already started off with food. So say that slowly, please, Mom. It's not easy to pronounce it.
Okay. What kind of food do you want me to say?
No, the word food.
Aduane.
Okay. Rice.
Emu.
Beans.
Edua.
Cocoyam.
Menkani.
Plantain.
Bordie.
Yam.
Baire.
Cassava.
Banche.
Corn.
Ebro.
Maize flour.
Yam. Or ebrosam.
Yeah.
Ebrosam.
Sugar.
Esichire.
Granulated sugar.
Esichire sam.
Just a little note. The sam and the end of it means powder.
Flour
or something that's put into grains. Or granulated. Sugar cane.
Ahwedie.
I love that name. I just love the way it sounds. Banana.
Kwadu.
Lemon.
Anketwadie.
Orange.
Anka.
Coconut.
Kube.
Coconut juice.
Kubensuo.
Orange juice.
Ankansuo.
Garden eggs.
Introwa, which is Inyadwa or intropo.
Okay. Chili pepper.
Moko.
Bread.
Pano.
Water.
Insuo.
Oil.
Anwa.
Meat.
Enam.
Lamb meat.
Ojai enam.
Beef.
Nantwie enam.
Goat meat.
Abretre enam.
Or the alternative.
Aponchinam.
Fish.
Insuomunam. nsuo mu nam.
Fufu.
Fufuo. Fufuo.
Kenke.
Dokno. Dokno.
This one's a bit tricky because there's two different ones. So you got stew.
Abomu. Abomu.
And abomu is one using no oil, is water. So it's like kontomire abomu is like the kontomire sauce.
Or
that I
garden
made.
eggs sauce.
Or garden egg sauce.
Yeah.
And then you got a different type of stew, which is called.
That's the one that you have to cut your onions, have your oil ready, have your pepper grounded, have tomatoes beside, and everything that to begin with. Like, so you start with the onions, heat the oil, onions goes in, chili goes in, tomatoes goes in, and then your meat at the end of it. You've got the flavor you want, you put all the spices you want, and that is stew you're making.
And that's called froye.
Froye.
What she said. Don't take my pronunciation.
Froye.
My British accent is way too strong.
Froye. It's because you're mixing, you folly. Froye.
Oh, really? Okay.
Yes. Folly. This piece and pieces is going in is folly.
I've learned something. Soup.
Enquai.
Yes. Peanut soup.
Enkatie enquai.
The green snail soup.
Abunabunu.
No enquai.
Abrobunquai. Yes, abrobunquai.
Palm soup.
Abenquai. Abe enquai.
Yes. Light soup.
Nkra.
Yeah, straight in the craw.
Nkrumanquai.
Okra soup.
That's nkrumanquai. Nkrumanquai.
That's okra soup, what she's saying there. Milk. This is a very old term.
Nantrie nufusuo.
Meaning the breast milk of the cow.
Yes.
But a lot of people just say milk. They'll understand. They just say milk.
Milk. Yeah. Nantrie nufusuo.
Salt.
Enchine.
Egg.
Kosua.
Ginger.
Akakaduro.
Onion. Jenny.
Jane.
I can't pronounce it. It's hard.
Jane.
Say it again, please.
Jane.
Stinky fish.
Oh, momone.
Momoni is like
smelly fish.
Like my favorite cousin.
It's a salt fish.
It's like a cousin that comes to stay over and he makes it a fun time.
Please.
Okay, last one and definitely not least. Actually, no, it's not the last one. Palm.
Abe.
Papaya.
That's pawpaw, which means.
Sorry, pawpaw.
Bofre.
I want to find out. Pineapple.
Abrobe.
You gotta have pineapple in Ghana. Oh, the pineapple juice. Jeez. How do you say pineapple juice?
Abrobe insu.
Okay. There's some stuff that's important to learn, as if, for example, knife.
Sekai.
Spoon.
Atre.
Now, there's a thing where it sounds very similar to the word head from the previous episode. The word head is...
Atri.
Yeah, the word head.
Itre.
And spoon.
Atre.
Head.
Tre.
Spoon.
We have nkwantre And we have
But some people might get mixed up. That's why.
nkwantre is soup spoon. Nkwai, three. Nkwai, three. And then we have the ordinary spoon that we eat with. That is the one we put on the table and said, edidi, three. Edidi.
Three.
A three.
A three.
Yeah, edidi. A three.
A three. I have to practice myself. Because when I say it in Ghana, because my tone is not right, sometimes I look at what? Which one? What are you talking about?
Edidi a three. And nkwantre is not soup for, digging a whole big soup.
No, it's for the cratchy, for the respectable men who don't want to wreck their suit and tie or something.
Yeah.
They wear the bib on and they have the suit.
Yeah.
Like Miwafa.
Yeah.
He does that as well. Then we're gonna go over some verbs. Okay. Can you cook?
Ubetimi anoa aduane. Ubetimi anoa aduane.
I cook.
Me noa aduane.
I can cook.
Mitimi noa aduane.
Will you cook?
Ubetimi anoa.
Did you notice how her tone changed when she asked the question?
Ubetimi anoa.
I've cooked. Like I have cooked.
Aduane, manoa.
I've eaten.
Medidi.
I am eaten.
Medidi.
I will eat.
Medidi.
This tastes nice.
Edepa.
This tastes horrible.
Enyedekura.
Wash the dishes.
Uhuru
Then dry the dishes.
Pepa nkukuonu.
I'm hungry.
Akomo deme.
Thirsty.
Ensu komo deme.
Wash your hands.
Uhuru wonsa.
Use your right hand.
Fa wonsa nifa.
Even my mom's face changed for that. I remember when my grandma smacked my hand one time. No, not in a bad way, but in a good...
You used to tear the fufu with your left. I said, no, it has to be right hand.
Shameful. Anyways. I have washed my hands.
Mahohoro mensa.
I will wash my hands.
Mahohoro mensa.
Peel the yam.
Sinsene bayre.
Cut the yam.
Twitwa bayre.
Wash the yam.
Hohoro bayre.
How do you say pots?
Chensene.
How about when you're pounding fufu? How do you say I'm pounding fufu?
Me wo fufu. Me wo fufu.
And what do you say to the person who moves the fufu every time it pounds? What are they doing?
Or ka aduane. It's like, for example, if it's me doing it, I would say make ka aduane, which means I'm turning it. Make ka aduane.
Okay, that's very good. What's the name of the mortar and pestle used to pound? Is there a name for...
Ngoma.
Like, what's the name of the...
Ngoma is the pestle.
Okay,
the mortar at the base is the one that they pan in the fufu. That's the mortar.
Is there a name for that, or there's no name?
Wadro. And then ngoma and wadro.
Okay.
Ngoma is the pestle. Wadro is the
mortar.
The bottom one.
Okay, I'm trying to make sure I don't miss anything. And the thing that I use to grind, when you see me grinding...
Eta.
And
the wooden one.
Eta. And what's the actual pot?
Apotoria.
So that's the...
Aria.
And I'm using the eta.
Yeah, to grind it. Apotoria.
So how would you say I'm grinding? I grind.
Me puto.
How do you say I am grinding pepper?
Me puto emoko. Meputo moko.
I am grinding pepper and ginger.
Meputo moko any akakaduro.
Grind it more.
Yam.
Like you haven't
Bika.
grinded it enough. Like
Yeah.
grind it more.
Yam bika ho. Yam ebika ho.
You've grinded it too much.
Why yam manafe dodo? Why yam no dodo? Why yam no dodo?
Heat the food first.
Ka aduane ne hye. Ka aduane no hye.
Come and eat.
Bra bedidi. Bra bedidi.
Have I said any? How about it smells nice? Like smell. It smells nice.
Pa.
Like fragrance. That's what it means. Yeah, we'll leave it. Is there anything you want to add, Mum? Because that was very good, insight.
Yeah, the only bit I would say is, for example, you can turn around and said, somebody said, Brabedidi. If you're full up, you have to tell the person, oh, me dasi, mami.
Mami, I'm full.
Yes, me dasi, mami.
Thank you, I'm full.
Yes, me
That's
dasi,
respect.
Yes.
Okay, if you liked, like. If you dislike, dislike. If you haven't already, subscribe. Peace and grace. Welcome back to the BSN channel. Today is the 6th lesson. Well, I'm pretty sure it's the 6th lesson. Is it the 5th lesson?
6.
Sorry for the mistake. But anyway, this is